Yeah, so that's my hair coarse and had, paranormal, the natural hair struggle. So all I did was spray water on my hair. I sprayed as much as I felt would dampen my hair and make the hair combable. It didn't work like that, combable. And then I went in with my pure unrefined shea butter. My hair loves shea butter, but if yours doesn't, you know your hair better. If yours doesn't, by all means do not apply shea butter. Find out what works best for your hair and use it. For me, it's shea butter. I applied as much as my hair could contain and massaged properly. So all that just made combing a whole lot easier and also reduced breaking. So there was a really minimal breaking when I was combing my hair. And after that, I sectioned my hair in 4 parts. This makes everything really easy, believe me, because if you don't section your hair, you'll be feeling like you have the hair of the whole world to roll. And the products I use are Nova Styling Mousse, so for that extra hold, and my dark and lovely leave-in conditioner, to condition and do whatever other thing that it does to the hair. And here are the rollers I am using, and the pin I will be using as well. And this is more like water, but just has some oil in it, so I didn't bother taking it off the neck. And yes, that's my ORS lock and twist gel. I know it's not a lock and twist style I'm doing, but I just felt I should make use of the lock and twist gel. I felt it would do something. And next, I'm going in with styling mousse, like I mentioned earlier, for that extra hold, and of course, the Eco Styling Gel. So when it comes to the rolling part, you have to, really have your hair sleek and which other one? Just basically make sure your hair sleeps well on the rollers. Like if you have to apply more styling gel when the hair is on the rollers, by all means do. The main thing is the hair should sleep well on the rollers. Yeah, and as your hair keeps drying, remember to keep spraying water. Remember to keep spraying water on the hair. So this is me here, just basically repeating the whole step over again, but this time around in the front, because the ones I did were more like at the center of my head and by the side. So of course, so here again, the styling mousse. I think I skipped the part where I applied the lock and twist gel, and there I just applied my Eco Styling Gel, and it's time for the rolling. Once again, make sure your hair really sleeps on the rollers. That is why I was doing that thing with my hand, doing that rolling movement with my hand. Now the pin part can be really tricky, getting where the holes are, but not to worry, you get used to it with time and everything will just go smoothly. After rolling the hair, I slept with the hair to let it dry properly. But if you have a dryer around, or you would go to a salon to get your hair dried, then it's cool still. Now the next morning, or whenever your hair is dried, all you just need to do is unpin the rollers and gently unroll the rollers from the head to maintain the curls. that was the only oil I had with me at home, my carrot hair serum. So I applied it on my hands, so I applied it on my fingers, and one by one I separated, because after a while, because I was running late to work and all of that, I had to start picking out the curls all together on my head. But if you have the time to spare, I would totally recommend you separate the curls one by one. But as I was running late, I had to apply the hair serum on my palm and then separate the whole curls all together to just save time. Now after that, you get to style your hair as desired. For me, I wanted to do the side parting stuff, and here you need an afro comb to tease the hair a little bit, just a little bit, So that's all there is to rolling and giving your natural hair some nice beautiful curls. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two. I would really appreciate if you all could show some support to my YouTube channel. It won't take you guys more, it won't take you much, it won't even take up to a minute. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you feel you know someone who would like to learn a thing or two concerning curling their natural hair, please share this video to them. I would really appreciate it. As always, stay blessed, stay out of trouble, and I love you all. Till my next video, bye bye.